In this tutorial, we'll take on the role of workbook authors and learn how to add parameters to dashboard filters in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Adding parameters to dashboard filters enables dynamic filtering and enhances interactivity, like selector toggle controls for key metrics, so that users can quickly switch which measures a visualization is showing for faster analysis. I have a key metric selector parameter called measures already selected and located in the parameters panel in this workbook. I'll right-click and select Create Dashboard Filter Visualization. This creates a dashboard filter visualization, and I can see the parameter under Filter Controls in the Grammar panel. I can add additional columns or parameters under Filter Controls for users to interact with the visualization. The dashboard filter properties allow me to customize the title, orientation, and reset button option. In the filter bar, I notice the canvas filters. These define the data scope. In this scenario, I have fiscal year, adjustment period flag, and ledger name. In dashboard filter visualization properties, I can click filters to see the canvas filters there as well. Dashboard filters, in contrast to canvas filters, are designed for user interaction. Once I load my data to this canvas, my workbook users will be able to switch options on the key metric selector to quickly toggle the measures they want to see. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.